Hello people, had to make a video on this real quick. I was looking all over YouTube to find out how to open this reservoir. I tried opening it up with my own hands, I couldn't do it. Looked up on YouTube, looked at the manual multiple times, couldn't figure out how to open the reservoir. And yes, you could open it. You just need something sharp like nail clippers, scissors, a knife possibly, and pull both sides at the same time. Pull them both up, and slowly but surely you will see that it is moving upwards. And look at this, it's coming so slightly out of place and it's out. There you go, it's out of there. Thank you. I couldn't do it, I had to get somebody else to do it. And real quick, my Brita was dirty. Like, it had dust, it had some type of mold looking thing, brown. I'll show you right now. It's gonna show up right here, that brown nasty looking speck. I was like, what is that? Brita's supposed to be a safely drinking water supply, so when I saw that, my stomach turned. And also there was dust specks too on top of that. But let me know, you guys. I hope this video helped you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.
Gotta transport like Uber. Take the spotlight like Luna. Money grows on me like tumor. Spreading out bread like rumor. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah.